Dear students, welcome back to math class. In the previous class, we have discussed cyclic quadrilaterals. Did you remember? A quadrilateral for which a circle can be drawn through all four vertices is called a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay? Or cyclic quadrilaterals are those quadrilaterals with opposite angles supplementary. Now let us discuss some quadrilaterals related to cyclic quadrilaterals. Cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. Some examples. All rectangles. All rectangles are cyclic quadrilaterals. Why? We know that all angles of a rectangle is 90 degree. Okay? All angles of a rectangle is 90 degree. So, the sum of the opposite angles is 180 degree. So, all rectangles are cyclic quadrilaterals. Next, all squares. Like rectangle, all four angles of a square is also 90 degree. So, the sum of the opposite angles is 180 degree. So, all squares are cyclic quadrilaterals. The next one, isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapeziums are cyclic quadrilaterals. Okay, let us check. ABCD. Okay, ABCD is an isosceles trapezium. ABCD is an isosceles trapezium. Okay. Now we have AD equals BC. AD equals BC. What is the condition of an isosceles trapezium? One pair of opposite sides are parallel, then other two sides are equal. ഒരു pair parallel ആണ്, ബാക്കി രണ്ട് സൈഡുകൾ equal ആണ്. Then the angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. That is, angle A equals angle B. AD ന്റെ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റിൽ ആംഗിൾ P, BC ന്റെ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റിൽ ആംഗിൾ A. So, angle A equals angle B. Okay. And also we have angle A plus angle D equals 180 degree. Okay. Angles on the same side are supplementary. Angles on the same side are supplementary. That is, angle A plus angle D. Angle A plus angle D is 180 degree. Now we have angle A equals angle B. So, instead of angle A, we can write angle B. Why? Angle A equals angle B. So, angle B plus angle D equals 180 degree. Now all of you listen. Angle B plus angle D equals 180 degree. What is the meaning of this? The opposite angles are supplementary, or the sum of the opposite angles is 180 degree. Okay. For quadrilateral opposite angles supplementary അല്ലെങ്കിൽ sum of opposite angles 180 ആയിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ we can say that ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. That is, we can say that ABCD is an isosceles trapezium. So, isosceles trapezium is cyclic, or isosceles trapeziums are cyclic quadrilaterals. Okay. Next, we have to find out the angles of this quadrilateral and also here. What is this? These four angles. Okay, or angles between the diagonals. Now listen. Name this A, B, C, D. Okay. Okay, first you consider chord AB. Then angle ACB. Okay. Next, angle ADB. എയും ബിയും സർക്കിളിലേക്ക് ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അവിടെ രണ്ട് ആംഗിൾസ് വരുന്നുണ്ട്. വൺ ഈസ് ആംഗിൾ എ സി ബി, ദെൻ ദ അതർ ഈസ് ആംഗിൾ എ ഡി പി. ബട്ട് വി ഡോണ്ട് നോ ദീസ് ടു ആംഗിൾസ്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ലെറ്റ് us കൺസിഡർ ദിസ് കോഡ് ബി സി. ഓക്കെ, നൗ ലിസൺ. വാട്ട് ഇസ് ആംഗിൾ ബി എ സി? ബി എ സി, BAC, and also BDC. Okay, BAC എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞത് ബിയിൽ നിന്നും സിയിൽ നിന്നും വരുന്ന ആംഗിൾ. then അതേപോലെ BDC എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ബിയിൽ നിന്നും സിയിൽ നിന്നും വരുന്ന ആംഗിളാണ്. ആംഗിൾ BDC. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ആംഗിൾ BDC 50 ഡിഗ്രിയാണ് തന്നതുകൊണ്ട് ആംഗിൾ BAC is also 50 degree. Angle BDC equals 50 degree is a given condition. So, angle BAC equals 50 degree. The next one, this chord CD. CD എന്ന് പോകുന്ന ആംഗിൾസ് ഏതൊക്കെയാ? Angle CBD, that is 45 degree. Angle CBD is 45. CBD 45. അപ്പോൾ സിയിൽ നിന്നും ഡിയിൽ നിന്നും പോകുന്ന അടുത്ത ആംഗിൾ ഏതാ? CBD 45. സിയിൽ നിന്നും ഡിയിൽ നിന്നുമാണ് വരുന്നത്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ CAD. CAD. This one. എത്ര വരിക? 45. So we can write angle CAD. CAD is 45 degree. Okay. Now ABCD are points on the circle. ABCD are points on the circle. So ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now we have the opposite angles are supplementary. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So the opposite angles are supplementary. Now angle A equals, what is the measure of angle A? Angle A equals 45 plus 50. This is 95. Angle A is 45 plus 50, 95. Now let us find out this angle. Angle ACB. Angle ACB is 180 minus. Even the 180 on the opposite angles are supplementary in case of cyclic quadrilateral. So we have got angle A is 95 degree. So angle ACB is 180 minus 95 plus then here 30. Okay, that is 180 minus 95 plus 30, 125. It's the difference between 180 and 125. 180 minus 125, 55. Okay, so here 55. Okay, so angle C is 85. Angle C 30 plus 55. This is 85. Okay, now next here ACB 55 degree. ACB, AB യിൽ നിന്ന് പോകുന്ന ആംഗിൾ ആണ് ആംഗിൾ ACB. ഇനി അതേപോലെ AB നിന്ന് പോകുന്ന അടുത്ത ആംഗിൾ ഏതാ? ADB അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ ഇതെന്തായിരിക്കും? ACB 55 ആണെങ്കിൽ ADB is also 55. Okay, ACB 55, then ADB is also 55. Now let us find out this angle, angle ABD. Angle ABD. What is the measure of angle ABD? ABD. This angle ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So opposite angles are supplementary. So this angle is 180 minus 55 plus 50 plus 45. Okay, that is 180 minus sum of this 55 plus 50, 105 plus 45, 150. So 30 degree. So this angle is 30. Okay, 50 plus 50, then 30 plus 45. Here 75 plus 5, 80, then 100. 100 plus 80, 180. Now we have to find out the angles of or angles between the diagonals. Here, what is the measure of this angle? 50 plus 30 is 80 degree. Now we have one triangle here. So sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So angles at this vertex or this point is 100. Okay, so here 100. Why? These are the opposite angles. Now what is angle of this? Here 80. Why? 100 plus 80. These two angles form a linear pair. Then here also 80 degree. These are the opposite angles. Or you can take this triangle. 45 plus 55 is 100. Okay, now 180 minus 100 is 80 degree. Anyway, you can find out the angles. So angle at A is 95, B 75. We already read angle A 95. Then angle B 30 plus 45, 75. Angle C here 85. Then angle D 105. Angle D is 50 plus 55, that is 105. Okay. So these are the angles of the quadrilaterals A, B, C and D. Okay. Next question. Prove that any outer angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the inner angle at the opposite vertex. Okay. So first we draw one circle. The next one cyclic quadrilateral. AB, C, D. Okay, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Any outer angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the inner angle at the opposite vertex. First, let us extend the side AB. Then let us mark one point E. Here CBE, angle CBE is an outer angle at the vertex B. Angle CBE is an outer angle at B. Next, let us take angle CBE. Angle CBE equals x. Okay, here x. Angle CBE equals x degree. Now what is angle ABC? Angle ABC, this is 180 minus x. Why? Angle ABC and angle CBE form a linear pair. Also, angle ABC is 180 minus x. Why? Angle ABC and angle CBE form a linear pair. The next we have ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So, angle at B and angle D form angle at sum of the angles at B and D is 180 degree. Okay, angle ABC plus angle D is 180 degree. That is, opposite angles are supplementary. Angle D is 180 minus 180 minus x. That is 180 minus 180 plus x. This is cancelled. The next here x. Then angle D is x degree. So what we get now? Angle D x degree. Then angle CBE we already taken as x degree. So B le outer angle, B in the opposite angle D അല്ലെങ്കിൽ vertex D. Then angle x degree. So what we have to find out? Any outer angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the inner angle at the opposite vertex. Okay. Today's class is over. Thank you. Have a nice day.